Dear viewers, especially the engineers, in my previous slides from slide number 1 to slide number 23, we have been discussing about the painting system, its methodologies, the painting on different surfaces and all that. We have been discussing briefly on each and every surface like the wood, like the plaster surface like steel and all. So now we are going to discuss what is texture paint. Texture paint is more than just color. It adds a tactile 3D finish to the walls instead of a flat surface. I mean, this gives the rough surface, getting patterns, and depth, making any space more dynamic. Whether it's rough, grainy feel or a bold design, texture paint transforms plain wall into the statement features. It gives the statement features and it looks very nice also, and it protects the surface. So we are going to discuss next slide, slide number 24. Dear viewers, the engineers, you have to listen and you have to go through the pictures I have uploaded at bottom of this slide. So we are going to discuss in slide number 24 about the type of the texture paint. There are different type of texture paint: the sand texture paint, the popcorn texture paint, the orange peel texture paint, knockdown texture paint, smooth texture paint, granite surface finish, and rag rolling sponging texture paint. Combing texture paint is also there. Slab brush texture paint is also there. So all these descriptions are there briefly in this slide. You can go through my slide and you can go through the pictures in the bottom of the slide. And if there is any question, please feel free to call me, or you have to comment on this slide also. I will be thankful to you if you follow my TikTok channel. I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel also. Share my YouTube channel, share my TikTok channel, and so share my slides to the engineers if possible for you, so that they can also be benefited technically by these lectures. Thank you. Dear viewers, in this slide number 25, we will discuss about the benefit of texture paints. Texture paints is not just stylish, it's practical, it's tough, resists scratches, and hides wall flaws like cracks and dents. It adds depth and character indoor and outdoor paints. Some of them protects from weather, even protects from ultraviolet rays. Others help fight molds and mildews. They are durable, low maintenance, and also even help dampness and sound between the rooms. It's a very useful paint for you to be used in the rooms as well. Dear viewers, in this slide number 26, we are going to discuss about the methodology of texture paint. By starting by the texture paint, we have to just prepare the wall, clean it, and remove the debris, remove the dust particles or patch holes, also to be rectified. Then sand it smoothly so that all the surface is smooth, and apply primer after doing the cleaning of dust of the sanding. Next, mix the paint. There are some already ready-made paints available. Texture paints are available in the market. There are There are need of additive apply with tools based on the look. I mean, there are different type of applications of the texture painting. Trowel painting for the sculpture design. Roller painting, roller texture painting for granity finishes. Sprayer by sprayer, when you spray the paint for the orange peel or knockdown texture paints. Racks and sponges are used for natural patterns. Combs or knives for the liner styles. You can see in my pictures also there are different pictures of different type of paints. The paint should be dried for 12 to 24 hours and then seal it as needed and clean up with the soap and water so that you can get the texture paint exactly the same whatever look is required to you. Dear viewers, we are in last slide number 27. We are going to discuss about the precautions we have to take during the painting of texture paint. The precautions must be adopted. I mean, all types of precautions to be taken so that there should not be any hazard or anything wrong to the painting or to the workers or to the engineers. There are brief professional list of precautions to be followed. Number one is that use your PPE and wear gloves, safety goggles, mask, protect your eyes and hands and your clothes from the splashes and fumes coming out from the paint during the painting of texture paint. Ensure ventilation. I mean the area which you are going to paint must be well ventilated because the texture paint fumes are hazardous and can affect on your health. Ensure that check the equipment, all the equipment like the sprayer, like the brushes, like the rollers, everything has to be checked and found that all is okay for the painting, because when you start the painting you cannot stop it like that. Avoid fire hazards. I mean, there should not be any smoking or anything to be allowed to the workers so that there should not be any fire hazard. Or if there is any stove or anything to be kept there or welding machine is working, no, not at all. Texture paint can be long lasting, I mean, if it is applied properly and as per the methodologies adopted by the specifications, by the BOQ, by the drawing, and by the engineers and by the consultant. So you have to take care of these things. Finally, in final slide, I am thankful to each and every viewers of mine who really went through my lectures and appreciated sometimes also, they liked it also. I once again request all the viewers to please follow my channel and share it to as many as engineers in your contacts, so they can also get some benefit out of these lectures. Furthermore, I request you to please comment on my lectures. Ask the questions to me. You are free to ask me the questions also. Furthermore, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel. On YouTube channel I am also uploading these lectures. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel, and share my YouTube channel to as many as engineers in your contact. I am uploading my YouTube channel link on bottom of this slide. Please go through all my slides, read them carefully, and go through the pictures. And if you think that it's beneficial for you, please write back to me. Thank you very, very much.